Are you looking to start your own manufacturing business, but don't have a lot of capital to invest? Then this is the video for you. We've compiled a list of 20 manufacturing business ideas that require low investment and are perfect for beginners. Number 1. Food and beverage manufacturing. Food and beverage manufacturing is a huge industry with many different subsectors. Beverage manufacturing include both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, while food manufacturing covers everything from packaged foods to dairy products. Number 2. Ayurvedic soap and candle making. You can start your business from home with a small investment. The demand for Ayurvedic soap and candles is increasing day by day as people are becoming more aware of the benefits of using these products. Number 3. Cosmetic manufacturing. The cosmetic manufacturing industry is one of the most lucrative businesses in the world. The global cosmetic market is expected to reach $715 billion by 2024. Number 4. Wooden furniture making. The demand for wooden furniture is always high, and it is a relatively easy business to start. You will need to invest in some equipment and tools, but the investment is not significant. Number 5. Food processing. Food processing involves taking raw food ingredients and turning them into finished products that are ready to be consumed. These finished products can include canned goods, frozen foods, dried foods, or other processed items. Number 6. Agarbatti or incense stick production. The popularity of agarbatti or incense sticks has grown in recent years, making it a profitable business venture. With a small investment of time and money, you can start your own agarbatti business and be your own boss. Number 7. Packaged drinking water plant. If you are planning to start a manufacturing business with low investment, then packaged drinking water plant is a good option for you. Packaged drinking water is an essential product and has huge demand in the market. You can start this business with a small investment and can grow it quickly. Number 8. Paper bag making. Paper bag making is a great manufacturing business idea for beginners with low investment. The paper bag industry is growing at a rapid rate, and there is a huge demand for paper bags. You can start this business with a small investment and can gradually scale it up as the demand increases. Number 9. Organic fertilizer production business. The demand for organic fertilizer is increasing as more and more people are becoming aware of the benefits of using organic products. Number 10. Pet food manufacturing business. If you are thinking about starting a manufacturing business, pet food may be a good option for you. The pet food industry is growing, and there is a demand for high-quality, nutritious pet food. To start a pet food manufacturing business, you will need to invest in equipment and ingredients, obtain a license from the government, and hire employees. Number 11. Handmade jewelry making business. If you are creative and have a passion for jewelry making, then starting your own handmade jewelry making business can be a great way to earn a living. With some basic supplies and a little bit of know-how, you can launch your own business making and selling beautiful jewelry. Number 12. Stationery manufacturing business. If you have an interest in stationery and creativity, then starting a stationery manufacturing business could be the perfect option for you. With low investment and some simple equipment, you can start producing high-quality products that people will love. Number 13. Home cleaning products manufacturing business. Are you looking for some good manufacturing business ideas with low investment? Then you can consider starting a home cleaning products manufacturing business. Number 14. Fruit juice manufacturing business. Fruit juice is a refreshing and healthy beverage enjoyed by people of all ages. Starting a fruit juice manufacturing business can be a great way to enter the food and beverage industry with low investment. Number 15. Spice powder manufacturing business. Are you looking for low investment manufacturing business ideas? Then a spice powder making business could be the perfect option for you. Number 16. Customized gift item production. If you have a knack for creating unique and personalized gifts, then starting a business that specializes in customized gifts items is a great way to make money from home with low investment. There are numerous ways to customize gifts, from engraving names or messages on objects to creating custom designed products from scratch. Number 17. Homemade sauce and condiment production. If you're passionate about food and enjoy creating your own sauces and condiments, then starting your own production business could be a great fit for you. With relatively low startup costs and the ability to produce products on a small or large scales, this type of business can be flexible to your needs. Number 18. Customized phone case production. If you have an eye for design and love to personalize your own belongings, starting a customized phone business might be the perfect manufacturing business idea for you. This low investment business idea can be easily started from home. And with a little creativity and some basic materials, you can create one-of-a-kind phone cases that your customers will love. Number 19. Baby clothes manufacturing. There are numerous baby clothes manufacturing business ideas for beginners with low investment. The most important factor to consider when starting a baby clothes manufacturing business is the target market. And number 20. Coconut oil production. Coconut oil has been used in Asia for thousands of years and is now gaining popularity in the Western world. It is a healthy, natural alternative to other cooking oils. Coconut oil can be used for cooking, baking, and even as a skin moisturizer. Finally, you must need to write a business plan before you start any business. Watch this video to learn how to write a business plan step by step.